Hello everyone. So in the previous video, I show how to download the data from LSEG workspace. So in this video, I'll show you how to clean the data. For example, here we have downloaded a panel data of stock 600 companies. So I have the stock 600 companies here, and then I have the ISIN code, country, industry, and a few variables. For example, return on asset, and then ESG score, and then total asset. So what I need to do, I need to convert this wide data into long data format. So for that, there's a shortcut in Stata, so we can just write a one single line code to convert this wide data into a long data. So before you start converting it, what you need to do, you need to insert a column here. So I have inserted the column. So I just name the column as ID, and then I just type 1 and 2, and then select and then drag it down. So I have a unique ID for each company. For example, for company one, I have this unique ID, and then if you just move to end, so I have this 599 companies of the stock 600. So I have created the ID. Now, next thing you need to do, what you need to just type the variable name. So this one is return on asset. So I just put it like ROA and then type the year 2023. And the next one is ROA 2022. So you shouldn't give any space between that. 2021. So I just skip 3 years data. Same goes with ESG. So ESG 2023 and then ESG score 2022 and ESG 2021. Next, I have total assets. So for that, I'll just type TA 2023, TA 2022, and then TA 2021. So I have three variables. So ROA, and then ESG, and then total assets. So you may have more variables. So you need to follow the same process and write it like the way, and make sure that there is no space between the variable name and the year. So when you are done with this, so you need to select this. So select and copy, and then you need to start the Stata. So if you need to go to Stata first, and then you have this data editor here. Just click on this data editor. So when you click on this data editor, then Control V, then paste this, and then there's a dialog box. The first one on the clipboard contains values that can be used as a valid variables names. Do you want to treat the first row as names or data? So I want to treat the first rows as my variable name. That's why I just click on that variables names. So when I click on that, then you can see I have this ID and then company name and then ISIN, country, and then all the data, right? Now this is a wide form of data. So this one we need to transform it to long format. So how to do it? So for that you need to write a very simple code. So first what is reshape? So we are going to reshape the data. Reshape. So what we're going to reshape? Reshape the wide data into long data. So we type long, and then we need to type the variable name. So our first variable was ROA, then second variable was ESG, and then third variable was total asset. So I have written everything, then put a comma. Then first you need to write I. In the bracket, you need to type ID, and then space, you type J, and then in the bracket, you put year. So when you have done, so you need to type reshape and then long and then the variable names. So I have three variables, so that's why I write three variables. So you have more, you need to add more, and then you put comma, then ID, that because we define the company with the ID, and then J is the year, so we have the year variable as well. So press enter. So when you press enter, then your wide data will be converted into long data, or means parallel data. So you can see number of observation is 599. So in the long format, it was like 1797. and number of variables were 15, it convert to 9. Okay, so now if you move to this data editor, then you can see your variables is already there. Okay, ROA, ESG, and total asset. So that's how you convert your like, wide data into long data. Thanks for watching.